I'm gonna die.
What if it's a question about when you were born? What was the past?
I'm gonna feel my stomach.
There's 0 viewers right now.
There's
not the
0
same.
people.
Ooh. Is it gonna be Thanksgiving questions or just trivia questions?
Yeah, whatever. Not really Thanksgiving question.
You should do Thanksgiving questions.
No, don't.
And you should do multiple choice.
No multiple choice.
Bruh.
No multiple choice.
That's
Okay?
not fair.
Why do we have to be quiet?
Be quiet, okay?
Just.
Tuzancha family. Thanksgiving night sala family. Fun kan vanto talai question and answer. Kan family kan fala pol not na kan vanto talai. General knowledge, okay? So are you guys ready? Huh?
No.
You're not ready?
I don't think I can do this.
It's not that deep.
Okay. Who want to go first?
Blessing. No.
Blessing?
It's fine.
Huh?
Cha-cha.
You wanna go first? Bro, it's not
So
that
every
Okay, I'll go
question for
first.
$1, okay? And the last one will be $5 for one question for each
How many
one.
questions?
I'm going to ask around 20,
20.
but each will be
20 each
like
person.
no, like that.
No, there's 20 questions.
Okay, who want to go first?
Ladies first.
Lady first. Yes,
First.
you got it. Lady
Wait, but
first.
he's the only
I
boy.
know.
Okay.
So who want to go first? Deborah?
Yeah, I guess if nobody else wants to volunteer.
Yeah. Okay, Deborah, come on. Come. So what grade are you now?
8.
8th grade, right?
Yeah.
What is your school name?
Perry.
Perry? Okay, so are you ready for the question?
No.
You have to speak louder, okay? I think Tangde on the chin lamo. Tangde in.
Okay.
Okay. Tangde on the chin la ka kenan take follow so la chen. Atui bia kan ruang ha ding mi he. General knowledge asila kan fa la pol. Ka ban han ha la sana te me pi phanga. A chen hem pa ding mi tin khan. Ka ban han ha la e. What state is called nickname as Sin City?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay,
What?
go. You.
Sensitive.
What state is called nickname as Sin City?
Oh my god.
Just guess. You never know.
You don't know? Okay, you. Do you know?
I don't know.
You don't know you?
Cincinnati.
No? You?
LA.
That is not a state.
Brazil.
Brazil state? That is not a state. That's in California.
Bro, this is literally a question that nobody knows. Skip.
Sin City. It is Las Vegas. Okay? Las Vegas.
Bro, can you like,
Las Vegas ka? Las Vegas ka US Ramakan reo. Las Vegas ka US Ramakan.
maybe this
Nom
is
na pun tu na pun ma se. Chucha chon ma Las Vegas he Sin City a school mi city. School na kan akat mi city in kan lai hol kan li achon. Salai ma kan nickname ma Las Vegas ka Sin City dia an au mismo. Okay? Then take some more.
Yeah.
So who is next?
me?
You. Come on. What state is start with letter D?
Oh, this is deep.
What state is start with letter D?
I don't know.
Wait.
Isn't it
Okay.
Dakota? Wait. No.
Who knows?
Dakota. Denmark.
Delaware?
I'm asking about U.S.
Delaware? Is it Delaware?
Delaware. Yes, you're right. Okay. I will give you
you.
I will ask you everyone. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Whoever got the first question will get Try, okay?
Okay. Uh-oh. I'm really bad.
What country has letter with five?
Five? Brazil.
Africa.
What does it start with?
Africa?
No.
Like 5 letters?
Yeah.
Russia.
Five letter.
A,
Five letter
F, R,
country.
I, C.
Give us a hint. Wait, I don't know my country.
Asia?
That's
No,
four.
no.
A, S, I, A.
I know.
Europe.
No.
That's not 5.
Close. Iraq was close.
Europe is close.
Texas.
That is a state.
Oh, okay, skip. Another question, okay? Name a US dollar bill doesn't have a president on it.
Joe Biden.
No. In a dollar, there is no president image on a dollar.
John Hancock.
The $2
money.
bill? The $2
What
George
money is
Washington.
that?
Who's the guy on the $2?
I only know one.
I learned about it in school. Abraham Lincoln. No,
That's the president.
No, name a dollar bill doesn't have a president
The
on
$2
it.
bill? $1 bill.
No.
The $5 bill? The $10 bill?
You guys don't
Is there
get it.
$50
Okay.
$20?
Only one, Maria.
50.
One.
50.
You guys.
Can you tell us the answer?
What is it?
Is it $3 bill? There's no. Oh.
Okay, now I will ask, what city is the nickname of the city? It is not only US. I'm asking. It is because mahi chu Canada ram chungta salai mo. Afoi naken.
Niagara Falls.
Sik tia an omi. Sik tia an omi. Nickname Sik tia an omi.
Sick?
S-I-K. S-I-X.
Toronto.
Toronto?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Hey!
Huh? How do you know that?
Because I know.
Okay, good job.
Did he say good girl?
Okay,
He
all
said
right.
Canada and I just thought.
What is the fastest bird in the world?
Fastest?
The fastest bird.
The
Fastest?
hummingbird. Wait, the
Uh-huh.
what? The fastest?
Bird.
Bird?
Ba.
Dove? Bird. A dove?
Uh-huh.
I just said a dove.
Valay
The
chunga.
running bird.
Valay
What
chunga
pepper?
zuan
Eagle.
arang big me.
Eagle. Why did I say one?
A bird. The running bird.
Yeah.
A running bird.
A running
A dove.
Uh-huh.
That's not
A dove. Why do all
No.
birds run?
No, don't say that.
Flamingo.
Whoever know, just speak loudly.
Flamingo.
I don't know.
No.
Olympic.
You guys don't know, right? You know?
Just
You know?
skip the question.
No?
Vi kan kicka till dem.
No?
Vi förklarar.
Kaya hikali do hen rato van boy hikali do hen dito. Okay, it's called a falcon. Uh-huh.
That's literally.
Bro, that's literally my school.
Yeah.
The falcon is the first, but eagle is the second, okay?
Stick to that.
Falcon bird nazi pakhata meng zala somrit nga na zuang kho mi se. Nazi pakhata meng zala somrit nga cha rang pak mi se. Falcon bird is the fastest bird in the world, okay?
The fastest.
Ka nan thaisan ka lo ma valai chungi rang big me. Okay, then let me ask. What is the fastest animal in the world?
Cheetah.
Who say first?
Jimmy. I heard
Jimmy?
Jimmy first.
Okay.
I said cheetah.
Valai chunga rang big me sarai cha cheetah. Okay?
But that was easy. I just wasn't paying
Okay, then
I hate it.
what is the First Amendment?
Oh, the Ten Commandments?
Yeah. No.
What is
Amendment.
the First
No.
Amendment?
No.
U.S. Constitution.
I don't know.
Oh, I learned this in school. I don't know. I forgot.
Nan thai lo?
Do not steal.
The First Amendment kasi da si
Don't steal. Don't steal.
no.
No, U.S.
The First Amendment is freedom of speech. Okay?
The Bills of Rights.
Not the Bill of Rights yet.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I was saying for every
Ah.
question.
Pakhat ke kahal sang hala tu cha.
I was gonna ask one by one.
Okay. Van boy, come here. Who is the president of Russia? Putin, not put in.
Putin is here.
Putin. Okay, Putin.
Oh,
You
what?
got it.
Putin.
Wait, don't you get an answer?
Who
Another
is
one?
the president of North Korea?
Kim Jong-un.
Oh,
Kim Jong-un.
okay.
Joe Biden.
Okay. Who is the vice president of United States?
Vice.
I only know Joe Biden.
You only know Joe Biden,
I know it.
vice president. Huh?
I think I know it.
No, I'm
I
asking.
don't know. Yeah, she's
JD.
You don't know.
Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris.
Hmm.
I said it first. Kamala Harris.
I was thinking that, but we don't learn about
Kamala Harris. I just remembered because it was in my social studies book.
Okay.
Bro, I said it.
You want? Okay. Then I want to give you some. Name 5 president of U.S.
Oh, that's
5 president.
I don't know that. Oh wait, no, I did.
Just try 5 president.
Jimmy try.
Donald Trump.
1.
John F. Kennedy.
Donald Trump.
Obama.
Obama.
No.
Alright. Joe Biden. Abraham Lincoln.
George Washington. Yeah, George Washington. Yeah.
Okay, George Washington. Alright.
Bro, what is it?
Good job. There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Who? Ka. Ma cho. Athiam athemi poni mo. Nangkale mo. Which country gave the U.S. Liberty Statue?
France.
France?
France? New York.
Okay.
What?
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 What did you guess?
New York is me Liberty Statue PK France ne laksonga US and rakdek ni se.
Oh,
Ka Van Boy. What
Wait,
system
give me
of
a-
government is a government run by the people? I'm asking in US.
Wait, say it again.
Huh?
Say the question again.
What is the system? This government runs by the people. The system in the US and way.
Democratic.
Democratic or what?
Democrat.
Democratic or democracy?
Oh yeah.
Aren't they not the
They're
same
the same
Democracy.
thing.
Yeah.
Democratic is an adjective, and democracy is a yeah.
What?
No, it's not that.
Yeah. But,
Democratic is
but that is different.
Girl, give me that.
Actually, but actually, that is
Okay, just hurry up.
okay. I don't know who gonna answer
I
this.
answer, bro.
What do we call the first 10 amendment of U.S.
Bill of Rights. Bill of Rights. I said
No, it was her. It was her.
No,
You say first.
It was her. It was Jimmy. No, it was Leslie.
I said it was.
It was Leslie. It was Leslie.
Blessing.
Maybe they
Okay.
both get it.
The first 10 amendment is called Bill of
Bro,
Rights.
give me that $1.
The Bill of Rights.
That was me.
Okay.
I said it way before the question, so it's mine.
Who can say
Super
name for Disney?
Huh?
Walt Disney.
I just said that.
Four.
What?
What?
Oh,
Princess?
like Disney characters? Disney characters?
Like
Mickey
Belle,
Mouse,
Cinderella,
Belle, Snow White.
You don't even know.
he has the answer on his phone.
Rapunzel, Cinderella, Snow
Bro, I
White,
said
Elsa,
first.
Anna, Elsa,
I have five, I
Olaf,
have five.
Kristoff.
I have five.
Yeah. Who say first?
Me.
It was
You?
Deborah. It was
Yeah.
Deborah.
I think Deborah say first, right?
Yeah. I did.
Okay. Deborah say first.
I'm not choose.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, let me ask again.
I'm
One boy.
But you asked me.
What is the largest organ in your body?
He's asking you the heart. My heart.
What is the largest organ in your body?
Wait, what's an organ?
Is it the brain?
The brain? No.
Lungs.
What?
What'd you say?
The skin? Yes, you are right. Good job.
No, I already do it.
Minung kan nun naga hem kan ru kan sa ti ti bentuk pol sanate khan minung kan nun nak kan pum chunga hen skin vun he kan organ he atam angan big mi se.
Okay, next.
Okay, next. Next kazai da kan hal na lai ti sia chan. Yeah. What is the most valuable company in the world?
Apple.
Apple? Are you sure?
Yeah, Tesla.
Okay, Apple.
I just guessed.
Apple. Okay.
It should be Samsung.
All right. Then who can say the second?
Samsung.
Android.
Microsoft.
Tesla.
Microsoft?
Wait, what?
No.
I thought
Yes,
Tesla
no.
was a car.
Yes, I think.
Android.
Amazon.
Samsung.
Walmart.
eBay.
Is it the Samsung?
Sam's Club. Google.
Kohl's.
No.
Target.
Best
You
Buy.
guys are very
Tesla.
nan thiam nan thai to ko natin the second one te kha nan thai do lo.
Second one.
The second.
Uh-huh.
It's not Nokia. It's not the one.
Did you say Richard?
Nokia?
Is it?
Not Nokia. Not Nokia. What is the third one?
Samsung.
Android.
Nokia.
Tesla.
No.
Amazon.
Amazon.
Walmart.
Google.
No. Wait, like I can guess anything, right?
No.
Pulting.
What is the third?
Microsoft.
Oh.
You are right.
What?
What is the fourth?
I don't know. No.
The fourth one?
Tesla.
No. The fourth one?
Android.
The fourth one?
Amazon.
The fourth one?
Google.
Yes.
How? She's cheating.
Valai chunga company aman umbik me cha pakhat na ka Apple to 2.7 to 6 trillion market cap ase cha ko jan Saudi Emirates ti mi ani ka cha gas le oil ma kha kha se cha ko jan Microsoft cha ko jan Google ka top 40 yang ban se la mo ma kha Apple ka valai chunga company tampu valuable business ti mi dekha no khavia khanzari ko se company a khanjan technology khanjan zari se lo. What temperature does water freezer?
0.
1 Celsius. 0 Celsius.
I forgot.
What temperature?
1 Celsius.
20.
Minus
No.
129.
14.
Are you sure?
It's
Come
correct.
sit, come stand here. Okay, Loma.
15 Celsius. It's like
No.
15.
12?
32 degree.
Oh.
I was the closest. I'm 20.
Wow.
Okay, atu cha match le yang kan lama.
Match?
Match.
Yeah. What's that?
How many side has
Oh.
hexagon?
6. Whoa.
Six.
Okay. Whoa.
Okay. Okay, you really got it.
The money's running out. It's running out.
Okay. Okay.
Wait.
What is
He's talking to
What?
WWW stand for?
Oh.
Website. Worldwide
Huh?
website.
Worldwide website.
Worldwide.
Sure.
Worldwide website.
Worldwide.
That's what I said. You said worldwide. And
Yeah.
then I said worldwide website.
no, I
said that.
You said what?
Worldwide website.
You
I
said
said
what?
worldwide website.
Okay, I don't know who say first, but you guys got each. Okay. WWW form ka World Wide Website. Okay. I don't know how much left. Oh, a lot, man. I have no more question. So,
For me, that's why I haven't been getting money.
okay, what does DC stand for?
Wait.
Oh.
I know it. Wait.
Uh huh.
Wait. I know
You know, really?
District of Columbia. No, District of Columbia.
District of
District of Columbia.
Ammaไปก็
It's
เห็น
District
เจ้า
of Columbia. It's District of Columbia. It's District of Columbia. I remember. Nah.
Sorry
I deserve it.
because your sister already said it
Okay.
เมนูประคัดอินก็ฮัลโหลฉะนั้นชิมละลอ
Yeah, but
Okay.
Yeah.
You can't say it.
I think he stole me $1.
Okay
Elvin,
what is the capital city of Maryland?
Washington D.C.
No.
I think I know it.
What about you?
Say it.
Annapolis.
Annapolis?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do I get $1 for saying yes?
No. Maryland capital city เจอ Annapolis ลายมีตัมปีนุ่มนัก
So close.
ลายมีตัมปีกันนุ่มนัก Indianapolis Indiana capital city เจอ Indianapolis Maryland เจอ Annapolis
No, what are you talking
No
about?
please be quiet okay? Please be quiet
Give me.
Okay you want money
You want money?
You want money? You want more? What city name end with a letter K?
Denmark.
Hey. That's not even a city.
I have
Wait, in the U.S.
Yeah.
New York. City?
Uh-huh.
That's a freaking state.
Thing.
New York City.
That's
No, that doesn't count.
it. Doesn't end with
K. It has to end with a K.
I don't know. New York.
Huh?
New York.
Okay.
Huh? Whoa.
That's a state.
No, it's not.
That's a city.
It's New York City.
There you go.
New York City ends with a Y.
No, but it's like New
Why
York.
Oh.
Give me $1, please.
I give you.
No.
How much do you have?
How much do you have?
Exactly.
How much do you
That's
have?
good enough.
2.
Okay, what is the smallest city in the world?
Wait. I don't know.
I remember.
You don't know? What is the smallest city in the world?
The smallest city.
In the U.S.
No, in the world I said.
Miami, Florida.
Miami, Florida. That's a sky day.
Okay, I don't know.
But yeah, I was Chicago.
Wait, I don't know.
One boy,
I don't know.
you,
I don't know.
you don't know?
How am I supposed to know?
You
No.
try. What is the smallest city in the world?
New York? No.
No,
Indianapolis.
Wait, where is the city?
Vatican.
Oh, I don't even know that.
What the heck is that?
Vatican City. Okay. Okay.
Why didn't you say it?
Because I was about to say it and then he said it.
นั้นเทเราและ จุดที่เสียจัน What is the largest
Ocean?
city in the largest state in U.S.
Antarctica.
Huh?
Antarctica.
Texas?
Antarctica is fat.
Texas?
Alaska.
Alaska.
No, Hawaii. It's in water. No, it's still
There's still more. There's still more. There's still
What
more.
is the smallest state in
Rhode
U.S.?
Island.
Rhode Island. Oh my God!
I'm done.
Come on, guys, say
That's
I
something.
don't know any of them.
Huh?
Good job, Kiwi.
I was going to
Okay.
say Rhode Island, but she said
Who is
Just you.
Zisu apaka ho dase?
Joseph?
Joseph?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's easy.
Joseph,
Your brother.
that
Yeah.
easy?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever we know is easy, right?
Yeah.
Whatever we don't know
It's
is
hard.
hard.
Mary. It's Mary.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
Uh-huh.
Wait, what? It's called Mary.
Okay. Atu cho phang nga long te.
You should do
Only
like
$5
Oh yeah.
$5 long te
This is
tang
when it
da.
gets serious.
He's out of question.
Zai kong da kan han ha lai ti sia chen.
I
Am I
mean,
going on
Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Hey,
Do
we should do
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
What is the largest planet in the solar
Saturn.
system?
Jupiter.
Jupiter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, are you guessing wrong?
You got it.
Wait, I thought it was $5.
It's still there, man.
Take care of these.
It's still there. Whoever got 5 will be lucky person, okay?
Okay, I'm the worst.
We talk only have $2.
He doesn't want to give us.
Man, I could have got $5.
Who invented the
Nikola
electric
Tesla.
bulb?
Thomas
Jefferson.
Yes, Thomas
Oh.
Edison.
It's only for her. You can't say it.
Thomas Edison. Nani took pala here. Here.
Wait, we shared, so give me mine. Give me one back. Give me one.
What? What is the capital city of Chin State?
Myanmar. Hey, stop. Quiet.
No.
I know.
Huh? You don't know?
I know it.
I know it.
I know it.
Whoever knows, say.
Hakka.
Hakka. Okay.
Wait,
I think you first. Okay. Umbre. Maten kan hala atulioe kan koram. Upnak ala tu. General Pakha. Ralka Pakha. Ralka Pakha. Military Ralka Pakha. Amin hoda se.
Nihola.
Mihola? Huh?
I don't know.
Mihola? Okay, I think you got it. There you go. Mihola. Mi on time. Okay? Mi on time.
That's not for her. How much do you have?
Okay. Umreka tu kan han halai. Ahoda atuliwi kan Chin Army CNF president or chairman. Huh? How the CNF chairman say?
My dad.
Like that? You don't know? Do you know?
No.
Okay, his first name is
Dutch.
Zing. His first name is Zing, and the last one you guys can guess.
Sing loud.
Wait. His first name is Zing. What is last name? You can add one. Whoever correct.
Lian.
Wait. Stop. Add.
Zing Chu.
Yes. One, two. Really, bro? You said really? Yes. Okay. Zing Chu. Okay. President Atulioe CNF chairman. And Chairman Ka. Zing Chung Se. Okay. Almost 5 bucks.
I'm just like sad how I could have got that
Mhm.
$5.
Okay, Zayda kan han halai.
There's still $1 now.
I don't want that.
Actually, yeah, someone can answer that.
Press it.
Sorry.
You're gonna answer this.
What animal is that
Cheetah.
cannot jump?
Turtle.
Snake.
Penguin.
No.
Fish?
Penguin.
Fish can't jump.
Fish can jump. Snake can jump.
Giraffe.
Penguin can jump.
Why can
Rhino.
penguin jump?
A worm.
Huh?
A worm.
Wait, penguin.
No.
Penguin.
Like what's
Caterpillar.
What type of
Caterpillar.
animal?
Caterpillar.
Huh?
A caterpillar.
What's the topic on
Is it an insect or an animal?
Yeah.
A mammal.
Yeah, animal.
Okay.
Rhino.
Elephant.
Elephant?
I
Who say first?
Me. I said it first.
Yeah, it was
Desi said it first.
Okay, elephant, okay?
Where's the $5? Oh my god.
Elephant. Elephant ka saram vilte laka
I guess people are really.
per kholomi timi ka
How much is fine?
ase.
Bro, a worm can't jump.
Okay.
She didn't say what type of animal.
What century we are right now?
Oh, I know it.
I don't know.
Okay, what is it?
Yeah,
I don't know.
Florida's
Okay, who know what century we are right now?
20? The 20th century?
Wait, what is this?
21st.
Yes, 21st.
No,
21st.
Give me that five.
What
Just
does it
still
mean by
one.
21st?
21st.
What
This is okay. How many continents are there?
3,
I know it.
3?
4.
7,
No.
8, 7. Yeah.
7?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait,
7.
5. Good job.
Okay, can you name 7?
That's not fair. Just give her it.
No. This is $5.
Do we have to name all of them?
Yeah. I think you guys have to
Africa.
know. Yeah, Africa,
Asia.
Asia.
India?
In,
No.
no?
Oh, okay. Is the US one?
US? What?
South?
Yes,
South
South
America?
and
North America?
North America.
East? America?
No.
Don't rush it. Don't rush.
That's a state. Oh. What's a continent?
Now get the hard one, okay?
Oh gosh.
Now you keep
Europe?
Europe, right?
How about five continents for $5?
Yeah.
No. You have to know all.
And 7 for $7.
Seven continent.
Wait, she said 5.
Lai tlang kan lewa kan jen.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's 2 more.
Zaitin da kan dikha. Kaba porin tai chi kuni tai chi badi. Kan timi kha.
Russia?
Asia
Russia?
type, Antarctica type,
Russia?
Huh?
Yes or
Is
no?
Russia one of them?
America type, America type.
Africa?
You already said that.
You already said that.
Alaska?
That's a state.
Okay,
Antarctica?
now you don't know.
North Pole.
Bro, I got
Who wants to
5.
try?
I don't know it.
You don't know?
Bro,
One
5
more
for
than
$5 is good.
You want to try?
You try.
Okay, try.
Wait,
Speak louder.
never mind. I don't want to try.
You don't want to try?
Can you tell us?
She already said 5, right? After that,
Denmark?
Antarctica type.
Huh?
That is called Antarctica. Okay?
Antarctica.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Antarctica and Australia.
What?
Okay.
I said Antarctica though.
You don't say
I
that.
did. You literally
You know.
said Antarctica,
Yeah,
right?
she said it.
And then you said no. So that's
Then
it.
that mean you said 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, give her.
Okay, but you forgot Australia.
Fake.
This is not fair
She
game.
wants to find.
Okay. What galaxy we are right now? What galaxy we are right now?
Lexi.
What is
Galaxy.
it? Galaxy?
Skydeck?
Milky Way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, I love Milky Way.
The Milky Way. Okay, $5. Okay,
What?
$5.
This is not fair.
Zayda har de umi kan manhan hala this season.
How'd you know that?
It's obvious.
No, it's
Like what he said.
I was gonna say the Earth.
Like,
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Me too. I was gonna say Earth. But that's
this is because the way he said galaxy. The way he said. Which
Galaxy.
Yeah, the way he said galaxy. That's what we didn't
I'm
know.
putting my
No,
dollar back.
flower. This hour. Did you need to go last meal?
Bro, give me my dollar back. Another year 5.
Just bed girls.
I'm giving
Ka, keep quiet.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Minung upa kan timi kan ha hen.
Speak English.
Speak English.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, how many teeth are in like?
26.
About
32.
Wait.
No, you already did that last
Kan
time.
hulaya. Kan hulaya kan.
I'll be gonna ask.
Hal jong miss le.
Yeah, we already did that.
Zelo. Ka, whoever say first, what is the longest river in the world?
Mississippi.
Nile River.
Huh?
Nile.
I think Van said it.
I said Nile River.
No, you said
No?
Mississippi.
No,
I said Mississippi.
I promise. I say it.
I said Nile.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
heard me say
Oh my
Nile,
God,
right?
you got already $5?
Yeah.
I said Nile. You
No,
heard me,
you
right?
got again?
It was her. I literally said Nile.
No. You say first.
Oh,
Okay. Actually.
Get back right now. It's okay.
Say that. Zeda Deborah ni chim masat coding mi he.
What?
Kahala this year, John.
She's gonna ask.
What happened to water at 0 degree?
Ice.
It's
Hey!
her, not.
It freezes.
Huh?
It freezes. It's frozen. It's
Frozen?
Yeah,
no.
yeah, she's right though. She's right.
No.
Oh.
had to be Celsius.
How many degree?
ice.
Cold. It's just cold water.
It turns
Into water.
Is turned into nothing?
Watermelon.
ice.
No.
What?
Gas.
It melts. Cold water.
Gas?
Cold water. Cold.
Is it
No.
gas? So what else could it be?
What does it turn to?
What the frick?
No.
What does it turn to? What was the answer? Why does he never tell us? But it turns into.
But you know how much do you have? Jimmy, how much do you have?
Okay. You don't know. What is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific.
I said it first.
It was me.
Okay, but I don't care. Pacific.
Who said?
Pacific. I said
It
Pacific
It was me.
first.
It was me.
Huh?
I said
It was me.
Pacific
It was
first.
me, boy.
You said me.
Ask another question.
It wasn't me.
Okay, you guys said, what are the 3 primary colors? No. What you say clearly?
Red, blue, yellow.
Red, blue, yellow.
I said red, blue, yellow.
Give us
Red,
all.
blue,
Give us it
Red,
all.
blue, yellow.
I said it first. Come on.
Oh
You
my
know.
God! No.
It's the same thing.
Okay, this one. Okay,
This one.
how many weeks are in a year?
7. 52.
52. Okay, 52.
Is it right?
52.
How many weeks are in a year?
52.
The last one.
52.
Okay.
Now I'm going to ask easy one.
Jimmy,
Okay.
champion.
Easy one. Okay.
I'm gonna
Let me ask you. Okay, you. No compete.
What?
Minung kan pumchunga hen ru pazai zada How many bones are there in our body?
Can't say it.
Girl, tell me. Can you give me an easier one? You said that would be easy. This is not easy.
It is easy.
This is not easy.
Can
Is it
I
not easy?
No.
256.
Give me an easier one.
Guess how much?
216. No, I said first. 216.
You said?
Yeah, 216.
No.
206.
You
No.
liar. Wait, I said 256.
206?
Yeah.
Okay, you got it.
Yay!
Yeah, we did it. At least you got it 206. Okay? Minung ka pumchungahan kan ru he zanhi la pro Okay, are you guys happy?
No.
And he said, give it
Who
back.
happy?
Me.
Who not happy?
Them too.
Them too?
They're not.
Okay. Actually, you guys did it. All right. Say to the people who are watching them.
No.
Say to no. Not play like that. Okay. All
There's
right.
18 people watching. 2, 3.